Hi guys, welcome to Code Bashers. Guys, in this video, I will be sharing the latest interview experience on in Deloitte for the analyst position, that is for the 6 LPA role and for the 2023 batch students. This interview happened recently only on 24th January 2023. So guys, make sure that you're watching this video till the end because lot of interviews are going on. There are a lot of videos in this lot of interviews in this week as well as lot of interviews in the coming week. So make sure that you are watching this video till the end because we will be discussing the technical questions as well as the HR questions which are asked from this candidate. Okay guys, previously also a lot of videos I have uploaded on my channel regarding the interview experiences of different companies as well as the questions of whichever asked in the different companies hiring rounds. So make sure that you're subscribing this channel because lot of more videos for the interview experiences I will be posting on this channel. So kindly hit that subscribe button as well as the like button for this channel. And guys, I am continuously sharing the study material on my Telegram group which will help you in preparing for these interviews. So kindly join the Telegram group also. The links are in the description box. So guys, now let's start this video, and before starting the video, please hit that like button. Okay, so guys, the date of the interview was 24th January 2023, as I have discussed earlier. The branch of my friend was information technology. The duration of the entire interview, that is for the technical part also, for the HR part also, was 25 minutes. Okay, the first question that was asked from my friend was, let me just quickly discuss first technical questions. Okay, the first question that was asked from my friend was introduce yourself. So guys, this is a very commonly asked question in the interviews wherein the interviewer wants to know about you. So guys, do mention that what are your skills, what have you done, what are your internships, certification, and try to mention those things in which you want to drive your interview. Okay, this question is very important because some of the questions can be generated from your introduce yourself answer only. So be careful while answering this question. Okay, so I hope now you have made I have made myself clear, and do not lie anything about yourself in the interview because that can be a mistake on your side because lot of questions can be generated from your answers only. So make sure that and keep this thing in mind that do not lie in the interview. Okay, I hope this question is clear to you. Next question was explain your project. So as now you are in fourth year, so you might have made projects, like mini projects are there, very common in the colleges in the third year. Major projects are going on in the fourth year. So there must be at least one or two projects in your resume which you can explain to the interviewer, and they can be on any technology, they can be on Android, they can be on machine learning. Okay, so this can be on any particular framework. Okay, so it will give a very good impression to the interviewer that yes, during your days in the college you have tried to learn different things and you have tried to build the project, and now you have the understanding that how a project is built from scratch, how to work in a team. So all these things can be judged based on your projects only. Okay, if you do not know how to explain your project in the interview, I have made a dedicated video on this particular topic only. The links you will find in the I button as well as in the description box. Make sure to visit it. Okay, next question was why Python is interpreted language. So yes, Python is interpreted language because the source code of Python program is first converted into bytecode and that is then executed by the Python virtual machine. So this is a simple answer that you can give in this Python, why Python is interpreted language. Okay, so other languages first get compiled and then they get executed, but first in Python it is converted to bytecode and then it is executed by Python virtual machine. So I hope now this question is also clear to you. Next question was why do you choose Python over other languages? So there can be multiple answers because see, Python over other languages, first of all, is the syntax. The syntax of Python is very easy. Okay. Next thing is library structure. The library structure of Python is very again easy and easy to use. So these two are kind of major points why you give this answer. But again, you want to read in detail. This is the link that you can refer that why Python over other languages. It will give you a fair idea for this particular question. Let me just increase the font size of this thing. Okay, I will give you this link in the description box. Next question was explain about tuple. So you can see here the entire interview is driven by Python and later the questions will be asked from machine learning also. Why the interview has been driven by Python? Because my friend explained the project and the project that he made was a machine learning based project. So that's why all the questions related to Python and machine learning will be there in this interview. So be prepared with your project and the technology that you're using in that project because the different technical questions can be asked from the technology that you are using. Okay, so I hope this thing is clear to you. Let me just quickly explain you what are tuples. So tuples are data structures in Python which are declared like this. Okay, square brackets. You can put in the numbers here, and they can be hybrid also, like they can contain integer also, they can contain character also, they can contain string also. Okay, so all these type of data structures they can contain in a single tuple, but tuples are immutable. What is its meaning? Tuples are immutable means that once the tuple is formed, it cannot be edited. We cannot delete any element, we cannot modify any element, we cannot do anything operations on the this tuple. We can just access the data on the tuple. Okay, so I hope now this thing is clear to you, what are tuples and how they are used. Okay, next question was explain about the list and its inbuilt function. So again, lists are similar to tuple. Again, I'm saying lists are similar to tuples, but they are just defined in the square brackets like this, like an array. Okay, and now they are opposite to tuple, like they are mutable. Okay, we can modify the list once it is made. We can insert, delete elements from the list. So all these things we can do in a list. Again, it's a type of data structure in Python. Okay, next question was how it's inbuilt functions in Python. Okay, so there are different inbuilt functions like append, when you have to add the elements at the end of the list. Then is extend, sort, reverse, pop, remove. So all these functions are clear by their name only, that what does these functions do. So I hope now you can answer this question also in the interview. Okay, so this was again one of the questions asked. Next question was explain machine learning. Why machine learning question was asked? Because the project of my friend was based on machine learning, therefore machine learning was asked. If your project is based on Android, Java, anything, then the questions related to that thing will be asked. Okay, so keep in mind that you will have to be aware of the technology stack that you are used in the project. It's a very important thing to do. Okay, I hope this question you can answer if you have done if you have done your project machine learning, else it is of no use for you guys. Okay, last technical question that was asked from my friend was, what is the difference between supervised and unsupervised machine learning? Again, it's dependent on machine learning only, so let me just give you a one line definition. So supervised learning are trained using labeled data. That is, an image of dog will be given, and it will be we know that it will be the image of dog. It is a labeled data. Unsupervised learning will be the images of dog will be given, but we do not have any label to that data. So unsupervised learning is generally used to find the patterns in the data, and supervised learning is generally used to predict the outcome of a particular inputs. Okay, so I hope now this question is also clear to you. So these are all the technical questions that were asked from my friend. Now let's just discuss the HR questions that was asked from him. So there are total 3 HR questions. First of all, why Deloitte? So again, the company you are interviewing for, you must know that why you want to join Deloitte. You can read some of the past news of Deloitte, what are the projects going on in Deloitte, and you can say like this, that the tech stack I'm looking for, the Deloitte is working on that thing, so I am more passionate to work in Deloitte. You can say like this. Okay. Next thing is, why should we hire you? So again, you will have to give certain good reasons, that what are the what you can say, what are the key factors of yourself, like why should they hire you. Okay, so you are passionate, these things you can mention here. Okay, next thing, will you be comfortable with any location in India? So answer will be yes. Again, do not say no for the answer, just say yes. Okay, I hope now all these things are clear to you. Okay, so this was the interview experience of an information technology person. So if you want me to make more such videos, so do subscribe this channel, do like the video, and do join the Telegram groups also. The links are in the description box, because I am continuously posting different types of questions which can be asked from you in the Deloitte interviews. Okay, so this was the interview experience for the analyst position for the 2023 batch students. The package was 6 LP. Okay, I hope I have made myself clear, and do hit the subscribe button for the more videos update. So thank you for watching this video.